Omukoro gw'okutongoza ebibiina ebina office gw'abaishomero lya Mbarara Army School aho mu rurembo rwa Mbarara kandi gwahikwaho abebembezi ba Mbarara City batari bamwe na bamwe na nabebe kwerinda.
So what follows? Come and flag it also.
Major General Paul Muhoozi, UPDF Commander wa 2nd Infantry Division, omubutumwa bwe obwashomwa Colonel WM Kakuru, orukoranka Division Administrator Officer 2nd Division, na Ageihangwe echombeke kimaziraho $908,000 akandi kimazira amezi mukaga kirukombekwa n'ekigendererwa ky'okutaho omutindo omurungi gw'ebyobwegyese.
The UPDF community was not among the beneficiaries of today's systemic projects. But because we shared our amenities like schools and hospitals with our partners, those are the wananchi, the strategy changed. The host division was offered an opportunity by constructing 2 classroom blocks here at Mars. Today, as a division commander and the chairman of Board of Governors of Mars, I would like to thank the UPDF leadership for accepting to build us these magnificent classrooms and an office.
I want to thank and congratulate the head teacher of this school and his staff for the wonderful job they are doing to teach our children and the community around, not only the community around, but children of the nation.
Abantu bagira ngu emirimo egyo egenderire kugaruriza abantu ba buriijo n'okutaha enkoragana nabo. Abebembezi abahika mukoro ogu bagambaho n'itwe.
Nasiima Ruhanga ahabw'omurimo ogw'obukozirwe blocks ibirezi ezi UPDF eyombekere omuri Makenke Barracks ahabw'abaana baitu. Ekyokubanza bakatandika baine n'abaana 97 konka hati baine abaana 235 mbwenu ntureba omurimo ogwa UPDF eri kutukora.
Mbwenu nimbasiima munonga UPDF kandi amahe hati gakahinduka nureba amahenu banywani baitu tutwakitiina numbuga n'omuhanda akwitse embundu konka n'omuramutya mbwenu tusiima President Obusingye.
Ninyenda okusiima government ya Uganda under leadership ya His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni n'aba kulembera aba UPDF bona abokutuhereza ekizimbe kya classes 2 itwe Mbarara ame tubire twine mabuzibu bwo kugira ngo abana ni bingi kandi baburaho kushomera. So nintekateka rooms 2 ze batuherezezi nizo garukazi hosting abana bingi nga 12 kandi.
General David Muhoozi kandi Minister wa State for Internal Affairs wabari omugenyi mukuru yasiima mahe ahabwebyo ebibarukora.
I want to commend the Army and force leadership for allowing that to happen, and Captain Okuro, here we are, you have 2 brand new classroom blocks. Thanks to the magnanimity of the Army and force leadership.
Okujaguza emyaka 85 amahega UPDF garukujaguza ekiro kya tarehe 6 nokwija kukorerwa omu district ya Kabale ahansi y'omuramwa defending the gains of the revolution and honoring the sacrifices of the freedom fighters, a call for national unity, peace and socio-economic transformation. Gashakwa na Gudi Fatuma.